Hi, my name's Simon Locke. I'm the founder and CEO of CommunicationsMatch. Today I'm delighted to be with Ivy Cohen. Ivy is the president and CEO of Ivy Cohen Corporate Communications. Ivy, why should companies be thinking about issues management?
The only thing constant in our lives today is change. And so it is vital that companies take advantage of this key strategic tool in the corporate communications arsenal. Issues management is all about looking at opportunities as we open in new markets and deliver new services and technologies. It's also about anticipating the areas that any company or brand is vulnerable in and ensuring that we have the relationships, policies, and practices that are necessary in order for our companies and brands to be successful.
Is issues management simply a way to head off crisis?
While issues management can help to anticipate a crisis, it is a discipline unto itself. There are so many things that are happening in our businesses and with our brands that we don't even have control over. And we can anticipate them and prepare for them. And also, most importantly, build our corporate reputations around them. So, for example, we may have no control over the chemicals in the water that's used in our manufacturing, or something that happens to the cybersecurity of our employees who are working remotely around the world. So we can create a systematic and organized approach to bring executives and experts from around our companies together to develop a strategy. And we can create the policies and practices, we can create the communications, and we can engage all of our stakeholders to move in a single strategic direction to address an issue that's so important to our companies and brands.
What are the keys to a successful issues management program?
There are a few keys to a successful issues management program. First, it is all about the top. You've got to have executive buy-in. So it's very important for the corporate communications team to be able to convene top leadership of a company and top executives in the functions that are identified as essential to delivering on this particular issues management strategy. Next, it's all about relationships and collaboration. So corporate communications needs to establish its leadership because this is really being designed for the brand reputation. And we need to work very closely with our colleagues, whether they're in HR, operations, insurance, legal. I'm sure I'm missing some of our colleagues, sales, marketing. We need to be working very closely with those who have the potential to influence on this issue or have responsibilities that impact it. And then lastly, well, I really shouldn't say last, but critically is the involvement of our employees. We must be informing them, educating them, engaging them, and giving them the tools they need to be the brand ambassadors that drive our businesses.
Ivy, thanks very much indeed.
Thanks for having me.